Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn chapter 9, The Story of a Song, part 2. It is Song of Christmas. It is a carol song. It says, as we have learned in the first part, that Joseph Moore has written it, and when he had written this poem and he planned for a carol singing and the actors had arrived in the church for the program, and then the church organs were in disrepair, and he felt very difficult, and he made them to do their acting or drama or the play in their private homes. And he planned to go to his home by a longer route, to take the longer route, because he was in reflective mood. He don't wanted to reach fast home and break his reflection. So reflective mood, he don't wanted to spoil. So he wanted to complete on the way. So he decided to go longer route. And when he decided to go longer route, he took a route through the mountain. He took a route through the mountain. And he went climbing on the mountain. As he went through the mountain, he found that from the top of the mountain, his village was looking very good, covered with full snow, and the area was complete in silence, very calm and quiet. He felt very inner calmness in himself, inner quietness. He felt very delighted, very nice and happy. As he was on the top and he saw his village in ice, fully covered with the snow. So he remembered one night 2 years ago, he had written about a night where angels had appeared to the shepherds. Shepherds were also near the mountain. They were grazing their sheep. And then the angel of the Lord appeared to them and announced about the birth of Messiah. Messiah means Jesus Christ. So he announced that your Messiah has been born. And that poem he has written about it. So he is imagining that, and now is a for him big problem that how can be done. Now church organs were not repaired. It is in disrepair. So he did not know what to do. That was a real problem. He was in a fix. He went to the father Sauer Guber. He explained his problem. And as he was explaining, father was also in a fix. That's a really great problem. And then he said, we do something. And what he is planning to do, let us listen. He says, the route he led him to the top of the hill that overlooked his village. That night he saw a peaceful snow-covered village from the top of the hill and felt a calm silence within him. He felt very calm and quiet and silence even in him. He remembered that he had written a poem 2 years ago about another beautiful night when angels announced to a group of shepherds who were tending their flocks on a hillside near Bethlehem about the birth of Messiah. So I told you that angels had appeared and announced the birth of Messiah. The poem was Stille Nacht, written in German. Father Joseph Mohr thought that it could make a good carol. So that poem he had written 2 years ago, that was a very good for the carol. It was about the Christmas night only, silent night. Silent night. It is here in the written the German word Stille Nacht. Stille Nacht. Stille Nacht means silent night. The first he wrote in the German language. For the Christmas Eve Mass the following evening. So he told next evening, today is 23rd and 24th, it can be very good song for the singing. That is on 24th December 1818, he faced a serious problem though he didn't have any music to accompany his words. He made the charge against Franz Xaver the next day and shared his concern. Means he made to the church in charge and talked about his problem. Gruber too was in a fix. Now Gruber was also in such a difficult situation. He had his work cut out for him. Now he reduced his work and he wanted to spend the time with his song and problem, what to do. With only a few hours unavailable to come up with a melody. So within a few hours he has to come up with a melody. The talented Gruber finally managed to compose a simple melody before time. One that could be sung with just a guitar. Both Mohr and Gruber felt relieved and couldn't care less after about the facts that the church organ was in despair. Now, Father Gruber and Father Mohr, both of them got that song which could have been played with the guitar. The melody was so simple which can be played with guitar. So forgot about the organ's repair. They did not bother. They said that could be better to sing. And the whole congregation felt very nice when they heard the first time the composition for the first time. Here are the words, the lyrics to the first stanza of the song in English. Though it is written in the German language, but today is given in your book. Only one stanza is given here. That is, silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round your Virgin Mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Dear children, these songs are available in the Google also. You can just write Joseph Mohr and you will get all these different languages this song. It's a beautiful hymn. So thank you children.